Withdrawing money from your Peacock account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Peacock account. Access your Peacock account by entering your login credentials on the Peacock website or app. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a seamless experience. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, locate the Wallet or Account section within the app or website. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Wallet section, look for the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter a withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw from your Peacock account. Make sure this amount is within the limit set by Peacock and that you have sufficient balance. Step 5. Confirm bank account details. Before finalizing the withdrawal, verify that your bank account details are correct. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so before completing the transaction. After confirming, submit your withdrawal request. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear, which may take a few business days.